If you want to close the background apps on Google Pixel 9a, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then you need to press this square button in order to go to apps that are opened in the background. And essentially you can, for example, swipe all the way to the left over here, so swipe from left to the right, in order to find clear all at the very end of the list of opened apps. So you can press this button in order to close every app that is opened in the background. And you can also just swipe up as well in order to close just one specific app like this. So just swipe up an app. On the other hand, if you use a gesture for navigation in order to open background apps, you need to swipe from the bottom towards the middle, and you need to hold your finger for like half a second. You will also feel a vibration when you do this, most likely. And as you can see, we can open background apps like this. If you just swipe up, then you will go to the home screen. But if you swipe and hold, then you will open background apps. And you can do the same thing. So you can just swipe up to close one specific app, or you can go all the way to the left in order to find clear all option. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.